All you gotta do is just...
So that stuff came out of my carpet. Now, some of it was for my dog and some of it was for testing purposes. But a lot of the reason why we needed this machine was because of my dog. So I reached out to Uwant and told him to send this thing over. I've been trying to get my hands on a spot carpet cleaner for a while, and finally we got a brand to send it over. And I really do like this, and I want to tell you guys what I like about it. Okay, so I'm breaking this down as someone that has like really been using this, and I really want to tell you why I think you should get it if you have, you know, spot accidents with, your kids or with, pets. So with me, Gojo has different types of accidents. He glands this. It's the worst smell. You will smell it in 5 seconds. If it secretes out of his butt onto the carpet and it stinks. It smells like rotten fish, and within 5 seconds it will fill up the room. You let that thing sit for a minute, it will fill up the whole house. So we needed this type of device, and it works so quick. We just pull it, plug it, and then start, you spray it, and you start extracting all that stuff and getting all that smell out of there. Now, what leads up to that makes it so much easy. Now, the dual tank is definitely a lifesaver. I hate having to get my bigger machine out because I do have like a bigger Hoover one, but then it's just like I gotta pull the bottom part tank, put the water in that, then go to the back and put it there. And it's like, man, it's not that hard. I get it. But if you have an easier option, then why not use an easier option? You have the dual tank on the Uwant. You just fill it up with water. And for someone like me that has this issue with the glanding all the time with Gojo, it's easier for me to have the dual tank already filled with the water, ready to go. And I could just clean out the other part of the tank, and then, after it air dries, put it back there, and I know I'm gonna need it within another 2 or 3 days, so it's not going to just be stale water sitting there. I'm gonna end up running through the whole water within a week. So that's going to be really good for me to hurry up and just clean these stinky glands that I was telling you about. And then the same for you. If your kid, your pet throws up, pet pee, poop, whatever, and you want to get that up and you just want to hurry up and get it, just what I explained is just going to be so much quicker for, all the pet owners and, all the, younger kid parents out there. So all the different cleaning methods, it helps as well. So you do have a whole bunch of different attachments here that I keep mine in this little bag here, but you have a whole bunch of different attachments. You got the, OG that we're used to, the suction right here. Get that carpet up. You got a little brush in here to, agitate the carpet a little bit, or, sofa. There's a lot of different use cases we'll talk about as well. Do you have steaming on this? There is a steamer. It blows off a lot of steam. It's crazy. Be careful with that. Don't make sure it's always pointing at the surface. That stuff is hot. But yeah, so, and you have different attachments that go with this steamer. So that's really cool as well. If you need to hit anything that needs steam, you got a 2-in-1 with that already, a carpet cleaner and a steamer right there. The cap here, this is the self-cleaning cap. That's another big thing. So it just merged into the other thing. It does self-clean as well. So you just put this cap on, and there's a trigger on there. I don't have it on me, but there is a trigger button that you hold it, and the water will start to come out, and it'll just fill up here. So this thing would just fill up with water, and you'll be pumping out and cleaning out the tube and pushing everything into the dirty water part of the tank. So that's really cool. That I really did like that. I wish I had that with the Hoover one, but this thing just cycles all that right out. So I did like this. So you see, and I did pour some of that purple stuff on the floor, and then I also, did coffee, because that's the most common thing that everyone probably spills is like coffee. So I did that, and I'm going to be very truthful here. When the coffee started to dry up, I couldn't tell where it was. I'm colorblind, so I did do it. It looks like it did get up all the purple stuff down there, but I will put my wife, when she gets home, I'm gonna ask, does she know where the spots are in the carpet, and we'll see what she says, if she can see them. So I'll let you know. But I did have to go over the grape drink twice. I did have to hit that because I was still able to see it was lightly still there. It doesn't look like it's there right now. I did it right here in the studio, so looks like we're good. All right, so when it comes to how loud it is, just in case you're wondering that, I live in an apartment. I wouldn't recommend using it during quiet times. We have quiet times, and I wouldn't recommend using it, but I don't think it's overly loud. If I needed to deal with Gojo's little juice droppings on the thing, I would still use it. It wouldn't feel too bad because number one, it's gonna be very fast to clean it up, and number two, it is loud but not super crazy, super crazy. I feel like it's a little bit less than an air mattress. When you're blowing up air mattress, I feel like it's a little bit less than that. All right, so if you've been thinking about it, I hope I sold you on this. It's really a great device, man, especially for your pet owners, for the young kid out there. I almost said young kid owners. I almost said it. I almost did. For all the young kid parents out there, it's something that you would definitely like, just to have the convenience to hurry up and clean that spot on demand right there when you want to get it done. After you settle your pet down, your kid down, you get them away from the area, and then you just hit it real quick. It's going to take you like 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how you're using it, if you want to use the steamer and all this blah 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 blah. But I really think it is a great device to just have on standby when you need it for accidents. All right, so there you have it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do hope that you invest in this if you are having issues with like that I have and stuff, or just potty issues in general. But it is a great device. I really wanted one of these for a while, so I was really hyped to finally get my hands on it. So shout out Uwant for sending this over. I really switching my channel to get stuff that I review that I want on this channel or I need in my life, and I can just be consumed with it. And sadly, I'm more consumed having to use this thing than I want. But dogs are expensive. I can't afford surgeries every time. So, but hopefully you guys have a good one out there. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see all of you in my next one. My name is Rodney, and this was Wanna Buy It. Peace. Shaka, brah.